Bhavani Ayurveda's Vata Serum combines moisturizing and nourishing oils such as rose-infused sesame oil, jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, apricot oil, argan oil, black cumin seed oil, and essential oils of Roman chamomile, geranium, lavender, and helichrysum. All of these ingredients are going to help support and moisturize dry skin. If your skin is dry, you may be experiencing a Vata imbalance. So this little serum right here contains oils that have oleic acid, which will help to lock in your skin's moisture and help to even out and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. To use this serum, it's super easy. All you're going to do is combine 3 to 6 drops of oil with 3 to 6 drops of your Bhavani Ayurveda floral water. Rub that together in your palm. Then you'll apply the oil in gentle upward strokes and also on your neck. The Bhavani Ayurveda serums are step 3 in the Ayurvedic skincare ritual process. Step 1 is using a cleanser and mask. Step 2, a toner. And step 3, using your Vata serum. Oils are such an important part of Ayurvedic medicine and healing, and we encourage you to try some healthy, all-natural, plant-based oils to support the health of your skin.